Turning on or off sensitive content. Warning on your iPhone 16 allows you to control whether your device detects and alerts you about potentially explicit images or videos, helping you manage exposure to sensitive content. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down again and tap on Sensitive Content Warning. At the top of the next screen, you will see the Sensitive Content Warning switch, which you can toggle on or off. To enable the feature, toggle the switch to the on position. Access to certain apps and services will be enabled. When enabled, it will detect nude photos and videos before they are viewed on your device. It will also provide guidance to help you make safe choices regarding content. You can also tap on individual apps or services listed below to apply sensitive content warnings to specific applications accordingly. You can also set it to Improve Sensitive Content Warning by turning the feature on. Once you're done configuring this setting, you can return to the home screen. This feature on your iPhone 16 provides an additional layer of protection against unexpected exposure to explicit content. It's particularly useful for parents setting up devices for children or for anyone who wants to be more mindful of the content they view. Remember, you can customize this setting for different apps to tailor your experience. Should you wish to disable the feature, just repeat the same steps to head back to the Sensitive Content Warning menu of your iPhone 16. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.